all I do is play multiplayer, whether it's 8-ball pool, Ball Guys, or a little bit more dangerous of a game, the stock market. So I figured I should make a multiplayer game. It can't be that hard, right? It's 2023. Multiplayer cannot be that hard.
It was, in fact, that hard.
You want to hear a joke? So a guy walks into a bar and says to another guy, multiplayer? And the other guy says, never heard of her. Basically, I'm both those guys. I started by making a lobby. A lobby is just a room where players wait while they wait for other players to join their session. I obviously had no idea how to make a lobby, so I went to Unity, I found an example, and I stole it. I'll be having that. And just like that, I had a lobby working. Now, players needed to join the game. But what was the game? Well, it doesn't matter because I did what I do best.
That young man put on his hard hat and went to work.
I made a randomly generated 2D map because that's all I do. That's all I do on this channel is make randomly generated 2D maps. But this one actually turned out pretty well. At this point, you're probably saying,
Okay, yeah, Tanner, the cave thing is cool, but what's the point of this game?
well, that's funny because I found myself asking the exact same question. So instead of answering that question, I completely avoided it and added lighting instead. At this point, I couldn't think of any other useless to add to the game, so I started spawning the players and getting the movement working. The players can collide with each other and the cave walls. And that's pretty much the only gameplay feature I completed. That's right, moving your player is a gameplay feature. We've just been so spoiled by game developers that we just come to expect these simple mechanics, these simple gameplay features, like walking. Okay, so I tried to work on one other gameplay feature, which was breaking the walls. But I never actually broke the walls. I just almost broke the walls. So that's it. So walking and almost breaking walls. That's it for this video. Stay tuned. I'm going to keep working on this project. There's more to come. This could be the start of something new. It feels so good to be here with you. Guys.